Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus and I'm feeling gassed today because I've just dropped my brand new drum kit, the Prick Kit Volume 4. It's the kit I've been working on for a while now. It's got over 250 files in there and it's all the sounds that I've been using in my latest beats and tutorials. So if you've been watching my videos recently, you'll know what I'm talking about. And yo, I know I say this every time, but this is by far my hardest kit yet. I feel like every time I make a new kit, my sound design levels improve, so it's just natural for the quality of the sounds to improve. And plus sounds are changing all the time, so it's got all the modern sounds that you need for UK and New York drill. But yo, it feels like just yesterday I hit 50k subscribers and I'm already on 65. So I need to shout out everyone who's been supporting the channel, everyone who's been watching the videos. Much love to you all. Because of the support, I wanted to drop a free version of the kit like I have done with my previous ones. So the free version is basically a preview of the full one. There's about 25 or 26 sounds in there, but I made sure I included hard sounds in there as well. So yeah, if you want the free version or the full one, then I'll leave a link to them in the description. If you're grabbing the full one, then yo, I appreciate the support. If not, and you just want the free version, that's cool too. Not everyone can afford kits. But yo, with the full one, this time I decided to include 10 loops, and they're all orchestral, dark drill melodies, all like the style I've been using in my latest beats and tutorials, and they all come with stems. The loops are hard, man. I'm about to show you some of them. And the other thing that I included is my master chain preset. So I get a lot of DMs asking me about what I put on my master, how I master my beats, and although it's quite simple, I thought I might as well include the preset in there so you can just drag and drop it. That preset also includes my beat visualizer preset too. So if you're uploading beats to YouTube, you can get the same beat visualizer look that I use. And again, for this one, I've also included 2 project files for FL Studio. So one of them is a beat that I made in a recent tutorial, and the other one is the beat I'm going to be making today. So I'm going to make a full beat using one of the loops in the pack, and I'll use only sounds from the drum kit, and then I'm including the FLP in the kit too. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm going to quickly run you through the kit and what sounds are included, and then I'll start cooking up a beat using one of the free loops. So when you open volume 4, you can see you've got pretty much every sound that you need. There's a bag of 808s to use, all quite deep and distorted for drill. This is one that I use in a lot of my New York drill beats. And then a few people were asking for 909s too, so I included some of them. And this one. It sounds sick if you want those crazy 909 beats. But yeah, we've even got fine wide too, and a few different variations of it, which has always been my go-to 808. Not everyone uses claps for drill, but I like to do it sometimes, and the claps are just sounding clean. The counter snares are probably my favorite thing in the kit. This one was perfect for that Tion Wayne tutorial. A couple of my go-to counter snares. Actually, all of my go-to counter snares are in here. I basically use these instead of hi-hats. I don't even really use hi-hats anymore. But yeah, in crashes, we've got some unique style crashes, just to switch things up. And the FLP, one of them's in there from the Tion Wayne type beat tutorial that I did, and the other one is going to be whatever beat I make today. In effects, we've got some impacts, and then a load of miscellaneous effects. In rises, just some of my, well, all of my go-to rises. I think I use this one pretty much every beat. A couple unique vocal rises too. And the grind bass, a lot of people have been asking me for new grind bass sounds, and some of these are just crazy. I've included hi-hats, although like I said, I usually just use counter snares for hi-hats. I never even really use these anymore. But there's a couple sick ones, like these shaker ones work well every time. And then for kicks, I use this goat kick in like every beat. That's just my go-to kick every time. But I included some more if you want, like more obnoxious kicks. They're all clean sounding. In the midis, I included some of my favorite hi-hat patterns from some of my hardest beats that I've made in tutorials. And then my go-to open hat. A couple other ones I've designed. Perks, I went crazy with for perks. As always, I like to include a few perk repeats, just to save you guys some time. Like this one, just adds mad bounce. And then you can see how many perks I added. All perfect for drill. And then in rim shots, again, some of my favorite rim shots. I think I use this in a lot of beats. Again, with snares, I went crazy with the snares, all perfect for drill. And then in vocals, quite a few people asked me for some vocal one-shots too. So yeah, I just wanted to flick through some of the sounds. Like I said, the free version has about 25 of those. The full version has over 240. And the loop kit that it comes with is Woo Loops Volume 2. So this comes with 10 loops. It comes with the stems too, but I'll flick through some of them. So this is one of my favorites I've made. Just got that sick drill bounce straight away. This one's hard as well. Might even use this in today's beat. Some quite epic ones. Or like deeper emotional ones. So yeah, they're all sounding crazy. Like I said, these all come with stems. So yeah, I think I want to use the shadow one today. So in stems, I'm going to go to shadow and just drag everything in. It's 144 BPM, so I just need to change that. And we should be good to go. I've included the key in the WAV loop section as well, so you can see that there. Let's try it, just up one semitone. Alright, for the snare, let's go with this one. Alright, for the counter snare, I'm just going to see which sound fits best so far. Maybe this one. And seeing as though we're using the kit, I'm going to use a hi-hat MIDI from it. I like this one. Yeah, there we go. Need to boost the snare a bit too. And I'm going to use this Cactus 808. This is one of my favorites for New York drill beats like this. Maybe 4 here. I don't think the pattern for this one needs to be too crazy. And then maybe just go a bit wild at the end. So like 6 here. Alright, I actually changed the 808 to this fat 808. I just like the sound of it more in this beat, but this is what it sounded like. Alright, so I changed a couple of the snares just to add more bounce, and I think the pattern sounded crazy now. You know what, I might add a tiny bit of delay to the counter snare, just because I feel like it's one of those energetic, fast-paced beats, so it might just help the bounce. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Right, so now I'm going to add some perks in there. I might get this perk repeating, but I'm going to add that in the playlist just to make sure it's on time, and it looks about right. And for some of these perks, I don't really need to add too much else to this beat. I feel like it's got a lot going on already. But maybe something like this, or maybe something with a bit of higher end. To help with the bounce again. And I always just like to test it without the instruments, so just drums by themselves. Yeah, I think it bounces hard. Oh shit, I think some of these were doubled up, so I like to double check. Alright, so I'm gonna start arranging this, and when I made the melodies, I kind of structured it out anyway, so there's different sections. Like, I can break down into a verse here. Alright, so I might make this arrangement a little bit different, and I'm just gonna keep the energy for the intro. I don't want to do anything too crazy. It's quite a simple beat. Maybe the 8/8 here. And now I'm thinking, let's put a riser here. Alright, so just to get some instant switch up, I'm going to make that unique, bring it down a full octave, see how this sounds. Sounds hard. And then the rim can come in here. So we just got all the energy straight away. Alright, so that 8/8 pattern was just changed real quick. Maybe do something here. Maybe just a little break in the melody here. Maybe this dark style crash just after it. And then a reverse kick here. Sounded crazy. And then I think the next section here can just be normal. And then here we can maybe switch it up. Maybe add something similar to this. Yeah, I think this is going to sound crazy, and then that could just drop straight back into the hook. That's cold. Alright, so I finished arranging the beat, and I've shown you most things in it, but let's just play it and I'll talk you through everything. Alright, so for the melody, everything was only pitched up one semitone.
Cactus.
Just a teaser of the 8/8s. I think that drops hard. And then added the rim for the second part of the hook. And it's just alternating between the different 8/8 patterns. So straight into the verse. Energy dips a little bit, but still fast paced. A little bit's crazy too. And then this section's pretty much the same. And then for the bridge, I basically copied the intro. So yeah, just the same pattern. And yeah, so the rest of it basically repeats. So yeah, I think this one turned out sick, just mad energetic, all sounds from the new kit just sounding clean, and like I said, I'll include the FLP in the full version of the kit. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you're feeling the beat. As I said, the Prick Kit Volume 4 is officially out now, the free version and the full one. The free version has around about 25 sounds, and the full version has over 240 sounds, but then there's MIDI files too. There's 2 project files, including the beat I just made. There's a master chain preset with my beat visualizer presets, and it comes with a free loop kit, which has 10 orchestral drill melodies with the stems so you can cook up beats and start selling them. But yo, thanks everyone once again for the support and for watching the videos. If you cook up anything using the kit, then tag me on Instagram at jcactusmusic and I'll repost it for you. So yeah, thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace.